Albania, and I'm invited to be part of this day. Was very nice to share ideas and discussion about mostly the challenges that we have. Excellent relations. After 2 days, I'll be for a state visit to Turkey to be there as one of the close allies of this country. And for me, it's an important day to provide once more the friendship, the excellent cooperation, the friendship that we share together. We have common objectives, and we are focused very much on cooperation in all fields. And we do believe that in the future we will strengthen more our relations. I think that through the common commitments, only through the common commitments, focusing on such challenge, through the acting against such horrible things. I'm so touched and angry also against the terrorist acts that happen in Turkey against the Turkish people. And in fact, I would like to offer my condolences to the family of the victims, but in the same time to all the Turkish people, my solidarity and the solidarity of the Albanian people to overcome such horrible and terrible and very difficult moments. And I'm sure the Turkish people will overcome these moments, and all the allies of the Turkey and Turkish people and the government of Turkey will be together with you and with them to face in such terrorist acts and such. I think that we have to be focused all together in this way, because only the common commitments will be a successful story. I thank you. The same to Turkey and Turkish people.